Hello everyone, welcome back to Ideal BrightSide. The past tense is used to describe actions or events that have already happened. There are two types of verbs in the past tense, regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs follow a predictable pattern of adding ed to the base form of the verb to form the past tense. Irregular verbs don't follow a predictable pattern and have their own unique past tense forms. To master the past tense, it's important to memorize the past tense forms of irregular verbs. You can find a list of these verbs online or in a grammar book. Another important aspect of the past tense is knowing when to use the past continuous tense, which describes an action that was in progress at a specific point in the past. That's it. With these basics, you'll be able to use the past tense correctly in your English writing and speaking. See you in the next video.
Now please subscribe the Ideal Brightside for more incredible content.